Hello and welcome to another update on Ethereum. I know I sound like a broken record, but the situation really has not changed in many weeks. So we're still in this rally from the April low. The A wave is also still unfolding. There's no sign at the moment that the wave count that we've been tracking here needs to change or that anything is invalidated. But it's a good thing, right? At least there, there's no invalidation. Then at least the analysis stays very consistent. You might remember that from the moment on when the price broke out, that was early in April, mid-April. Yeah, I've been watching for higher here for this A wave to develop as part of wave 5. So far, the pullbacks have remained corrective. Okay, so there hasn't been any impulsive move down. So that is quite good, because as long as pullbacks remain corrective in nature, the overall bullish thesis here remains intact. And so far, I have no reason to change anything here on this chart. Please just remember that we're dealing likely with a larger degree diagonal pattern, but the fact that this looks now like a 5-wave move is actually more bullish than wave A as a 3-wave move. An A wave, as per Elliott wave rules, can be a 5-wave move or a 3-wave move. This looks like 5 at the moment, which is potentially bullish. So the next pullback would be likely a B wave, and then we can watch higher for a C wave. And I mentioned in the first video today, or yesterday rather, the 4,813 level should be the minimum target if this really plays out as shown. I would say now let us take a look at the shorter time frame. I just want to quickly show you like what are the patterns that we're dealing with on the larger time frame. Here on the shorter time frame, you see this A wave, which is extending at the moment in 5 waves. So that's 5 waves from the April low. And we seem to be in the 5th wave. In the first video, already talked about it, that there is a Fibonacci support area for this wave 4. And as long as we're holding 2,611, the overall focus could be on higher for one more high. Any break below 2,611 might be even more bullish, ironically, then potentially in a 1-2 setup in blue, which could lead to a 3rd wave rally, which would be more bullish, right? It just depends on how we interpret this move. In the short term, it doesn't make a great difference, but please note that with a break below 2,611, the yellow count, as it's shown here, where this is a 4th wave pullback, will become far less likely. And then the focus will shift to the red line. That's the invalidation point for the for the blue 1-2 setup. And that level is at 2,481. So there are still 2 potentially bullish scenarios, but it's critical that the price holds above 2,481, and then one more high could send the price into this region between 2,911 and 3,093. So yeah, that's the update on Ethereum. Just a quick update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure to follow us on X. Here you can join a community. You can ask questions, post your own charts, and just discuss, engage. Yeah, it's growing every day here as well. And there are additional setups and charts that you can find here on X. I've linked the profile in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.